guys, we are here to wish you all Merry Christmas season greeting to you all. Thank you so much for your support.
So guys, we are going to be unboxing our
everything
Xmas
as you can see everything here. The Xmas present.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are you ready?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You are ready?
Sure? Yes. Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ever ready.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, guys, let's start and see how we are going to unbox everything and everything.
Sure,
Okay, guys, we are so excited. It's not easy. From January to December, we have to give him the praise. Okay. Yes, so.
Okay, Bella, if you see your name.
If you see your name, check your name. Once you see your name, you take it.
Okay.
Bring Osinachi home.
Bring Osinachi here.
Mama, God, Olivia.
You can see their gift.
Bella.
They are with their gift here.
Michael,
that is yours.
Olivia. Ganse Familia. For everybody. Michael.
Yeah. You can see the gift.
This one is for Daddy.
Oh my God. Guys, you can see my own.
This one is for the three of you.
Yeah. You can see all the gifts.
Okay. This one.
Oh my God. What is that? The way is heavy.
Okay, Bella. You have to put everything here. We want to see all your gifts.
You want to be seeing your gift? Just arrange your gift on your front.
Yeah.
Let's be seeing all the gifts.
Osinachi, arrange your own very well.
Osinachi, please arrange your own. Oh my God. You have a lot.
Who have this?
Who have that?
I love my queen. That's for me.
Oh, you have a gift. Oh my God. It's going to be a wonderful gift.
This is also for Mom. Osinachi.
Oh my God. Hey.
Olivia. Osi. Bella.
Oh my God. You guys has a lot of gift. Oh my God.
Oh, even you have a lot of.
Me? Even me? Oh my God. I'm so excited.
Give Olivia.
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 Guys, you can see the giant gift.
Bella.
Oh my God.
I'm coming, guys. Okay, this one is for Mama and Daddy.
Oh my God, guys.
Yeah.
Look at all the gifts. Look at all the gifts. You can see.
Oh my God, this is.
Say thank you. So happy. The little boy is so happy.
Okay, guys. Oh my word.
Say thank you.
Okay, Bella, take your gift to that side so you can open it well. Okay. So
Let's can start now.
okay,
Start opening your gift. Be fast. Let me see the first person to finish. Oh my God. Wow.
Oh, Sinachi.
Oh my God. Can I see the gift? Wow, that is amazing.
Oh my
God.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, can I see your own scene? Can I see the front?
Oh, it's very heavy for you to carry.
Okay. I have seen it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at the car. The tractor. Is it the tractor? You can see it.
Okay. Hey. Osika is very big.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Open another present.
Oh yeah. Please, can you open another present? Can you open another present? What is that? For jumping. Oh my God. What is it? Let me see that. The way you are smiling.
Wow.
Teddy bear.
Oh my God.
Let me see. That is good. That is good. You guys have a lot of something this Xmas. Let me see. First open his own. Let me see.
I'm here. Wow.
Hold on. You want to open your own? Okay.
This is a special.
Okay, you're not going to wait for the children.
You have to record all of us.
Okay.
Wow.
What is that? What is that? Chocolate or what? What is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Your mom want to open her own. Let's just clear the space for her to see. Oh my God. Look at her gift. Put it on the ground so that you show us everything you are going to see. Oh my God.
Look at it. You put.
You can see it. Look at your own. Look at your own.
This one. This one. Ooh.
You didn't show us your gift again, the one you were about to open. You didn't show us again. Can you show us your gift? Let us see. Let us see. Let us
It's
see.
just chocolate, so
Yes.
I don't want to eat.
Let us see. Let us see what is inside. Let us see what is inside. The children is about. Oh my God. Let us see what is inside. Osi, please, can you come over here? Let us see what your mom have. Her Christmas present. Let us see her
I know
own.
you.
Let
You
us.
always buy only
Let
good,
us see.
only good shine.
Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Please now, can you show us? Can you show us?
Wow.
Can you show us your wristwatch, your ring, whatsoever it is, your iPhone, perfume?
No,
Let us see.
I think it's.
Let us see. Let us see what is inside. Can you let us to see? Can you let us to see?
What is this?
That is ring. Oh yeah. Please take it up. Take it up. Let us see. Oh my God. What is that? What is that, guys? What?
What nonsense?
What is that? Show it to them now. Show it to them. Show it to them.
The kind of thing. You cannot see any reasonable gift to them. Shut up! Why are you laughing? You're not going to me rubbish back for.
Show it to them. Osi, what is that? Osi, can you show it to them? What is that?
Give me.
Is what is it?
No, your daddy cannot buy any good present for me. How can you go and buy pants? It's not even my, the pants is not even my size.
This is old woman pint.
If this is your
Guys, you know
present,
that it's not every time you surprise your wife, your this thing with fancy something. Sometimes you go the opposite side.
Okay, you see the rubbish that Bella said buy for me. Okay, look at what I got for that Bella.
You know, sometimes you surprise your wife. It's
say
not
that.
what she's expecting you give to her. You give her the other side.
Don't go and buy me any rubbish thing. I expect all these things I buy for you. Me, I'm not buying it.
And you didn't open the gift I bought you. You're supposed to open it and show them how.
I already showed them, but there's no
Okay, how big it is.
I don't you can watch later.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I want to interview you. How do you see your present, the one I bought
Just
for
stop,
you?
stop. I don't want to talk to you. I beg.
Just talk to them. Just
You don't
talk.
have anything reasonable to just say. Just like keep it, no problem.
So what? So what? Oh my God.
I got you a lot of presents, but now I think you don't even deserve it.
I deserve it. Now look at the present I bought you now.
You don't deserve it.
Depends if for one elephant.
Oh, Bella.
My daughter said the pint is for one elephant.
Oh, Bella, please don't kill me.
Oh my God.
Papa.
Look at something for the kids.
Gummy.
Got me in there. Oh yeah, open it so that you guys will enjoy it.
That's a lot.
Look at the fine shoe. Oh my God.
Look
That's for me.
No, you don't deserve it.
I deserve it now, baby. I deserve it.
One stupid rubbish pet. It's not
No,
my
your
size.
daughter said it's for elephant pint.
It's not even my size. That one is the problem. If it's my size, I will say okay, it's not good. Then I say it's for elephant.
It's for elephant. But I don't have elephant in the house.
I don't know who you better.
Do you have elephant?
No problem.
Oh my God, this is interesting.
You see everything I got for Daddy Bella,
This is interesting.
but you don't deserve anything.
I deserve everything. Can you show them that neck? Can you show them?
Go and sit down. I cannot use money and buy.
Don't worry,
$200.
I'm going to transfer money into your account.
Go.
I'm going to transfer money into your account. Just show them my gift. Just open it well and show them how
I
they.
want to show them what's rubbish. Keep your pants. Give me one.
Oh my God! Look at what I bought for them. Look at it. Sweetheart, how do you find all the gifts, all the present? How do you find the present, everything?
The mouth tastes like cola.
Can I see what you are opening? What is that?
It's the boxers I bought.
Oh, look at that! Oh, look at the fine boxers you bought
Look
for
at
me.
it.
Tommy
But to
finger.
know
Oh my
how
God!
wicked you are, you went to buy one stupid elephant.
No,
pants
show
for-
them the boxers and you show them the pint I bought for you. They will show and they will differentiate the two.
Look at the pen that the bear I bought for me. I said Xmas gift.
It's for one elephant. Because the elephant is the elephant.
Oh my God!
Who going to buy it?
Oh, this pint is called what? What's the name of the pint?
Brother,
This one's for me.
that was for the guy.
Oh my God! Look at everywhere. Look at all the gift, guys. Let me show you everywhere. Let me show you everywhere. Look at. It's like where they just did some Christmas market. You can see.
Not for me too much.
You can see all the gifts, everything.
Look at another boxers.
Oh my God!
Kevin Klein.
Oh my
Psycho, you
God!
are so ungrateful.
Oh my God!
Give me one of
Oh my God!
You don't deserve
You are
it.
calling your husband that is ungrateful. How? Because I bought what?
Nobody can ever think of buying pants. Not even normal pants.
Opposite pint.
Like Christmas gift.
Opposite. You know, sometimes you have to surprise your wonderful wife with some kind of thing she didn't
I
expect.
don't think.
Maybe you'll be expecting a car, you give her, you just go and buy a bicycle. Maybe you'll be expecting something else, you go and buy something. Look at it, guys. Look at it.
It's more for
Look at it. Look at the gift. Look at the packet. Look at it.
It's very.
You think it's funny, but it's not funny.
Oh my God. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm going to transfer some billion into your account. Okay?
You are joking.
I know that you're going to
So
smile for
1
that.
You
million.
are always saying
Yes.
that one for the camera.
No. I'm going to do. Where's my phone? Please, can you get me my phone? Let me
You are
transfer.
just shameless.
Let me just transfer
That's
something
how
to you.
Buy petty for me and think. Not even my real pet, like my kind of pet.
I'm just laughing. I can't laugh.
This one is special gift from Zara. But
Look.
everything I buy for you, I take it back.
Don't take it back, baby. Don't take it back. This is interesting. This is ever gift, ever something of the year. Oh my
So
God.
guys, that is it. Oh.
That is it, guys.
You want to arrange all your shoes.
Arrange
yeah?
everything. Guys, we'll be back.
Okay.
Let us
Okay,
arrange
then
everything. And we are going to arrange the pint again on separate place so that we show you the pint
Okay,
well.
give me your shoes. The same with Bella. So.
Okay, guys.
How you will carry your things?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Guys.
Look, look.
Honey,